So if you guys can see about 2 months ago, when this maize behind me was just very little, we planted some Lucina trees here for agroforestry. This was like our first agroforestry pilot here in Chongwe, just to see how Lucina performs when it's planted with maize. As you all know by now, Lucina is a nitrogen fixing tree. That has shown very good results when it's planted with maize, and also it has shown good results um, for its leaves when the leaves are used as fodder for ruminant animals like cows and goats. So right now, this is how big the maize has gotten. I'm just going to show you how the Lucina is doing. It's been raining quite heavily for the past 1 month or so, and so the Lucina has taken hold. I'm so happy. So even when the maize is cleared here, the Lucina is going to survive. And when they plant maize, um, the next rain season, the Lucina will even be in a better position to provide nitrogen to the maize here. Let's go. So this is the maize field, and I'm going just to go down and show you the Lucina, how it looks right now. It's still tiny, but it has taken hold and is going to survive. Now this is a drought resistant amazing tree that is all green all year. So here is one here, and I'm going to show you another one. So we have another one here. Yeah, so these are all really doing amazing right now. I think I need to find, let me just try to get in the maize field. I need to find one. Okay, here's one right in the maize field right now. So as you can see, this is about 30 meters uh, tall right now, and it's right next to these maize stalks, and I'm sure this maize is benefiting from the roots of Lucina, which are fixing nitrogen in the soil right now. So as you all may be aware, most plants cannot use nitrogen the way it is like this. But what Lucina does is it gets the nitrogen and turns it into ammonia, and this is the usable nitrogen that the plant can use for them to, grow and produce their fruits. But most importantly, this ammonia helps also break down the phosphorus and the potassium in the soil. That means that it completes the whole NPK spectrum. And this is the first time we are doing this in Chongwe. And this is a very small field. It is our first pilot at Green Gold Social, trying to see how we can help farmers utilize agroforestry, to fight drought, and also to rely less on synthetic fertilizer, which destroy the soil, and two, are very expensive for most small-scale farmers here. So just look at how healthy this maize here is. And right next to the stalk, we have the amazing Lucina growing here, looking very healthy. And so this is going to hold, even when the rains go, I expect this to survive with very little water. And I'll just be coming back here to document until the rain season starts again. So as you can see, one of the things that we did here, we planted a lot more Lucina on the edge here to prevent soil erosion, because you see this place is a slope, and because this place is a slope, what that means that water runs off most of the time here. So the Lucina is going to help to fight soil erosion, because when it grows and the roots spread, they can hold a bit more water. That means that this tiny maize field here can utilize most of the moisture that the Lucina will help to capture, which is one of the reasons why Lucina is so amazing for agroforestry, because it is has a variety of uses. And most important thing, it is not only good for agroforestry, but even just as a tree, when it matures, you can use it for charcoal as well as firewood. And that means that most of the charcoal burners now have to rely less on the native trees, which take a bit of time to grow, and the seeds are so hard to collect and then to help germinate. So this is one of the reasons why Leucaena is so amazing as a tree. It has all these uses, and at Green Garden Social we have been piloting this project to try and see how we can help farmers um, become like resilient against climate change by using Leucaena, and also just to see how we can help fight deforestation using Leucaena. So that's that.